Yeah, alright guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a unlimited Gmail account without using your cell phone number, without using your mobile number, your real phone number. Unlimited. You just have just step by step, and I'm going to teach you how to create it step by step using your mobile phone to create a unlimited Gmail on your mobile phone without using your phone number. So please guys, if you're new to this video, just please help me, just subscribe to my channel and turn on notification button, and like this video as you stay tuned with me as I show you how to create unlimited Gmail account without using your real phone number. In this video, stay tuned and yeah, let's go right into this video. Let's go into this video tutorial. So please guys, if you find value in this video, please just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps. And please, if you find value in this video, just go to the comment section and hashtag comment thank you, or hashtag you comment. Let's create like hashtag Gmail unlimited Gmail without phone number. Yeah, that's hashtag unlimited Gmail account without phone number. So as you follow me now through this video, I'll show you how to create a unlimited Gmail without using your real phone number, just for free, without using your phone number, everything just for unlimited. You can create one, can create two, can create five, can create hundreds of Gmail or using your mobile phone without using your real phone number. Okay, so guys, this channel I talk about how to about tech. If you are still with me, let's go into this tutorial and I'll show you how to create unlimited Gmail without using your phone number. Okay guys, thank you for staying with me here, and let's go. So if you want to create this Gmail account, this unlimited Gmail account, though there are two ways. We have the hard ways and we have the simple way. So I'm going to teach you guys how to create this Gmail account unlimited through the simple ways. So on your mobile phone, you have a mobile phone Android, so you are going to go to settings, this settings here, this one you see here, this settings here. So you click on settings. After you click on settings, you see all this. So you go to you locate, you navigate to where they write user and accounts on your cell phone. So this is the place, this user and account on your cell phone, this place. So this is it here, this place. You click on it. After you click on it, so you scroll down. You see these are all the unlimited Gmail I've created without using my phone number. So this Gmail here. So you see the way they write this add account. When you go down, you scroll down, you see all this thing where they add account. So you tap on this add account, this one. So since we are creating unlimited Gmail account without using our cell phone number, we're going to use the Google to create this Gmail account for ourselves. We can use it for any other thing, for business and other things I want to use it for. So just click on this Google here, this one that this is this Google here. Tap on it. No. You tap on this. Sorry guys, it went back. Let's add account. You tap on this Google here, this one. So you hold on small. It's asking me to input my pin so that we can continue in the next step. So let me put my pin. So please patient with me guys. So I'll show you how to create this unlimited Gmail account without using your phone number, for free guys. You guys, I a lot of people have been asking me to do this video, so I said let me do this video sharp for you guys, so that you guys can know how to do all these things on your own using your mobile phone number. So in this case, they brought us here to this place here. So in this place we have create account and we have to, they're asking us to sign in. So since we are not signing in, this we are meant to create an account. So you just tap on this create account here, this create account. We're creating a Gmail account without phone number. So we have two options. Once you click on that create account, we have two options for either you want to create account for yourself or for your business. So we are clicking we create account for ourselves. Create account for myself. Okay, so once you take it to the next page and you'll be asked to enter your first name and last name. So this video, let's enter our first name and last name. So let's just so I'm creating this Gmail for someone else which is in need of this. The person is in need of this Gmail, so I just want to rush and create this Gmail for the person. The person have already told me what you want to use for this Gmail, so let's just use the person name that you want to use. So first name, that's the first name, and this is the last name. So that is first name and the last name. So you just have to click on next. After you fill in the first name and last name, click on next. Wait small. It will carry us and enter the next page. Please be patient with me, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys, the thing that take us to the next page, which is asking us to enter our month of birth, the day that they born, the birth month now. So the day they born you. So you enter your month, the month they born you, the month you have been given birth. Enter the day, and enter the year. The year you want to enter. So after you enter that one, you asking you to choose your gender. This place where they say gender, you choose whether you are male or female. So I'm choosing male for this video. And after filling on this thing, you click on next. It will take you to the next page, which you have to fill other information about yourself. Okay, this is the next page here, which is the automatically generated Gmail for us. We using our this thing, our name that we input there, our first and last name. So we'll just have to click on any of these Gmail that is generated for us. Or you want to create your own Gmail for yourself, or you want to customize your own Gmail, you just click on this create, and just click on this create your Gmail address. But in this video, I'm just going to select the random one that is suggested for me. Just click on that. After I click on that, you now click on next. This next here, click on next. Click on next, and it will take you to the next page. Please, guys, before this thing load, if you are new to this video, please do me a favor and subscribe and like this video and comment in the section. Put in the section box, put hashtag unlimited Gmail account without phone number. Hashtag unlimited Gmail account without phone number. Unlimited Gmail, create unlimited Gmail without phone number. So in this place, they're asking us to put our password. They're asking us to put our password in this place. So just select any password that you'll be able to remember for this Gmail. So I'm just going to select a password for this Gmail. Please do with me, guys. After you input the password, you just have to click next, so it will take you to the next page. Please be with me, guys. Let this thing load. Be with me, guys. Just sharp something. I want to show you guys how to create unlimited Gmail without using your real phone number. Just create like that without using your input, without you putting your phone number. Just use it like that. So in this place, you see they asked me to enter my phone number, but I won't enter any phone number. So you just have to scroll down. You scroll down when it says skip. You skip, because In this place, you know, when you're creating the Gmail, they have already automatically put your phone number there. We just have to scroll down and see where you see where they write skip. So you just have to skip this section of you putting your phone number there. You skip it, tap on skip. So once you tap on skip, this is what you are going to see. Your Gmail account is now created and ready to use. So guys, in this video, I hope you find value in this video. Please, if you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment in the section hashtag create Gmail account without using your phone number. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.